Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to group chat on iPhone. Starting a group chat on iPhone is simple and straightforward. And here are the easy steps to start a group chat on iPhone. First, make sure to unlock your iPhone and open the Messages app. Then tap the new Messages icon in the top right corner or on the bottom right corner. Tap the to field at the top. Type the first contact's name or phone number. Choose the contact from these suggestions. Then add another contact by typing their name or number and repeat until all people you want are added. Then tap the send button. Your message will be sent as a group chat. To name the group, tap the group icons at the top, tap the edit in the top right, then tap change or edit name and photo. Enter a group name, choose a photo, then tap done or check button to save the changes. Tip: all participants must be using iMessage or Apple devices for full features like naming the group, or adding or removing members. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.